This Real Estate Advantage property video is presented by Amy Garris. Tastefully updated 2-unit property conveniently located within a short walking distance to the heart of downtown Jamestown. While keeping some of the original charm, many renovations have been completed, including newly installed mini-split systems in both units to provide the luxury of central air. 2 units also provide a heat option. Laminate flooring, carpet, and refinished hardwoods can be found throughout. Updated light fixtures, updated bathrooms, including the addition of a half bath on the first floor and more. The first floor unit has 1 bedroom, kitchen with appliances shown, spacious living room with built-in cabinetry, formal dining room, laundry area, full bath, half bath, and exclusive access to the basement for storage. The second floor unit has 2 bedrooms, kitchen with appliances shown, full bathroom, spacious living room, and a mostly finished walk-up attic for storage. There are 2 electric meters and 2 water meters on the property. The exterior of the home is freshly landscaped with greenery that requires minimal maintenance, a partially fenced yard, and 1 parking space that is accessible through the shared driveway. This turnkey property would be a great addition to your rental portfolio or as a starter home for an owner looking to occupy 1 unit and let the rent from the other help pay the bills. For more information,